right triangle, you are not just finding one thing. Oh no. You're finding all 6 parts. 6? Why 6? What? All sides, all angles. 3 sides plus 3 angles is 6 things. Yay! Let's go to Miss Harzel's class for a second. And talk about
Don't go there.
sig figs. No, listen. I'm going to make it simple for you. All right. When you're in the middle of calculations, you want to give as many decimal places as you can. I recommend up to 4 if you're still going to use that number. If you're done using that number, if it's your final answer, you only have to round to the number that's smallest that's already given. All right? So if your smallest number, the decimal place is like 1 decimal place, you just round your answer to 1 decimal place. That's it. Okay? So for your calculations, identify the number with the least number of digits. Okay. Right? Did I not spell digits? Less. The less number of digits. No one needs that A anyway. Here we go. All right. Then, after you're done with calculations, you round your final answer to that same number of sig figs. So again, if it's just 1 decimal place, it's not 1 decimal place. If it's 2, you got to round to 2. No big deal. No big deal. This is not that hard. Right. It's just we're applying what you learned. Shh. Shh. Here we go. You're on YouTube. All right.
Okay.
All right, here we go. When solving a right triangle, some of you had this issue where you were doing the right thing, but you just didn't label your triangle correctly. So I apologize for not going over this before. When you label a triangle, okay, the sides and the angles all mean something. Yay? So in a right triangle, we usually go like A, B, C. It's easiest. Right. Notice I put capital letters in front of the angles. Yay? Yeah. So capital letters for angles. Now, the lowercase letters are the sides across from the angle. So across from big A is little a, right? Across from big A is little a. Across from big B, little b. And across from big C is little c. A, right? To solve a right triangle, you have to find all of the measures of the angles and sides. Okay, so nothing shall be missing. All will be revealed at the end of your journey of solving a triangle. Yay? Yay! Okay. So, since we're working with right triangles, one angle is always given. What angle is that? It's 90. So you'll always have a 90-degree angle somewhere. So you only need 2 more pieces of information to find the other 6. That's it. Okay. So for example, yeah. Solving the right triangle ABC. Okay. Draw the picture. Here we go. ABC. Right. Yeah. Okay. Whichever. Oh no, usually C is the right angle, but unless otherwise specified. Yay? Okay. Here we go. So angle B is 2840 degrees 40 minutes. And angle A is 25.3. Where does A go? To bottom. Right here. Right here. This is 25.3. That's little a, right? We're missing little c, little b, and also big A. Okay. Here we go. It's the easiest thing to find. The missing angle, because we have 2 out of the 3. Yay! So, to find angle A is just 90 minus angle B. Yeah. Okay. Angle B is in degrees, minutes, and seconds. Whatever. 90 degrees. 28, 40. What did I do? What did I do? Oh. Yes. Yeah. So I just, from the 80, I took away the 90 that was already there. Yes. Oh, she's thinking. This is good. Yeah. So usually, since we know the right angle is there, the other 2 angles are complementary. So you just subtract it. Right. Okay. Okay. What? I can't take away from 0? Yes. 89 and 60. So 20. Yay? And then 61 degrees. Right? So angle A is equal to that, which is perfect. That's one thing. Okay? All right. Side, what? Oh, sorry, one of the sides now. Okay? Let's just go in alphabetical order. Let's look for side B. Okay? To find side B, we're given this angle right here and this side. Okay? So B in this, from this angle, is opposite over adjacent. So that's 10. Very good. So this is step 1. There you go. Step 2. If you go tan of 28 degrees 40 minutes, that's equal to little b over 25.3. But your calculator doesn't do minutes. What do we do? Yeah, divide that by 60, and you got 10, 28 point, yeah, like 6, 7. Yeah, that's good. Degrees equals b over 25.3. I'm sorry, Paige, what's up? You good? Okay. All right. Multiply the 25 to the other side, so it's 25.3 times tan. 28.67 is b. Calculate, calculate. It is 13.83, but look at sig figs. You just have to round it to 13.8. Yeah. So little b is 13.8. Okay? All right. So let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. No big deal. Okay? Because then once you like reveal more answers, then you have more choices. So we know that angle A is 61 degrees 20. That's good. Angle B is 13.8. How would you find C? Pythagorean theorem or cosine? Absolutely. Now, depending on which one you use, you might be a little bit off from her because we're using the rounded ones, the rounded figures, so it just might be off by a couple decimal places. Yay? You could use cosine again just to do this one, or since we have the 2 sides, you can always just use the Pythagorean theorem. Let me show that just to spice it up a little bit. Right? Okay. We know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So, yeah, a squared is 25 point something something. Hello. Get rid of this. Okay. So, 25.3 squared plus 13.8 squared is c squared. What's 25.3 squared? $640.09. Okay. 13.8 squared. 190. Yeah. 0.44 is equal to c squared. So adding that together, you get 0.53 is c squared. So square root, 28.8 is c. There's your third piece. So you have 3 more things. That's it. Doable? Sweet. Sweet. Okay. We feel good. Okay. So once you've filled up all of the pieces of the right triangle, we just found this one was 28.8. Right? All the sides, all the angles are known. Nothing is a mystery anymore. Hey. Yay. Okay. Here we go. One more example, then you're off on your own. Hopefully you can finish all 8 questions so you don't have homework over the weekend. Here we go. What? Yes. Yes. Here you go. A, B, C. It's easiest. It is easy. It is easy. Okay. Here we go. It's easy as 44.25. No. Oh, 1, 2. Oh, you're so smart. So smart. Here we go. Baby A is across from big A. So we know this is 44.25. And then baby B is over here. 55.87. Yay. It's the easiest thing to find. C. Why? Yeah. So we can find C. Okay, let's do that first. Let's do that first. If you don't want to do it first, that's fine. Here we go. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So 44.25 squared plus 55.87 squared equals C squared. I'm going to just do it the whole step at once, okay? So I'm going to add it all together. Let me know if you got the same thing. After you square them and add together, did you get 5079? Yeah. Oh, sweet. Okay. 5079.5194 is C squared. Right? And when you square root both sides, what did you get? Very good. And we remembered sig figs. How many decimal places do you round to? No, there's 2. There's 2. All right. So you only have to round to 2 places. 71.27 is what we get for C. So 71.27. Yay? Yay. All right. Now for the angles. Let's go in alphabetical order. Find angle A first and find angle B. If you do it backwards, it's okay. It's okay. Let's see if we end up in the same spot. Here we go. Numero dos, second step. Let's find angle A. I like, since we're using decimals and we're rounding and doing all that stuff, try to use the one that they actually gave you as opposed to the one that you found. I mean, it might be the same thing. Yeah, it might be the same thing. It might be just a little bit off. So I'm going to use the A and the B, right? So from angle A, since we're given A and B, sine, cosine, or tangent? Tangent, right? So tan A is equal to 44.25 divided by 55.87. Okay. And how do you solve for A? Inverse tan. That's right. So you just go, A is the inverse tan of 44.25 over 55.87. Okay. 2587. 38 point. How did I get 69? Did anybody else get 69? Oh, I did 87. I'm silly. No, 38 point what? 38 degrees. Okay, I believe you. I see what I did wrong. Ha! Ha ha ha. Alright. So this is 38.38 degrees. Awesome. Alright. How would you find, we're almost done, William, don't fall asleep, here we go. How would you find angle, I'm going to use blue, B, if you know two of them. Amen, Daddy, that's how you finish it up, right? You could do sine, cosine, tangent again if you want. But why? But why, right? Yeah, angle B is just 90 minus angle A. So 90 minus 38.38 is 0.62. And they all lived happily ever after. Yeah. Yes, love. I did. I'll take it. I'll take it. All right. Here we go. Is it 8? No, maybe it's 10. I don't know. Here we go. It's only 10. It's only 10. Here we go. Go ahead and get started on that. If you finish before you leave, no homework. No homework. No homework. Good job, everyone.